Today we're going to show you how to make a drink for, you just went to college. You turned 21. It's time to learn how to make something that looks like high C.
You'll love it.
A good reason to go to the South.
Slammer.
Yeah. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek, I was going to call myself Dan, Derek, and Brianna. I should have done it that way. It's easier to get through.
DDB.
Yes, DDB is going to make for you. That's my daughter. For those that are probably going to say something creepy at some point.
Don't.
We're going to
Not a wife. I'm unmarried.
Unmarried, unwed.
She just has two dads.
Yeah.
It's
Right.
fine.
2 dads, no
Yes.
husbands.
Right.
Yes.
It's probably the best way. That way you have plenty of money.
Mom walked out. She's terrible.
Yeah, I haven't seen my mom in years.
Right.
So
Can't take it anymore.
I don't know who that is in the back.
The recipe is going to be 1 ounce of Southern Comfort sloe gin and amaretto and 2 ounces of orange juice. Freshly squeezed. But
Freshly squeezed.
You don't have to do it. If you want to go true college rookie, you just get a like orange juice.
Simply orange.
What truly is sloe gin?
It's a gin steeped in sloe berries.
So what's a sloe berry? Because that looks like a blueberry.
It does look like a blueberry, but it's not. It's a sloe.
Awesome, great education.
So sloe berries are like they're only I think found in like the UK and stuff. I'm sure you can get them other places, but I think that's like their was
Their main export.
I know.
It's like their core GDP.
Oh, this is just a 111?
export. Yes.
And you can never go wrong with that.
Right. Right.
No.
So I was trying to find.
That's not what I thought it was going to smell like.
It's not. Yeah.
I thought it was going to
It's
smell like
a
blueberry
bitter.
muffins.
No.
Because they're not blueberries.
Right. And there's no muffins.
I know, but Dan.
There's no butter.
Oh, trust me. That's why I asked the question, because I was like, shit, that looks like blueberries.
I think they spelled blue wrong.
Yeah.
Blueberry and blueberry spirits like blueberry vodkas, they don't taste very good either. They don't taste like real
No.
blueberries.
They
You
taste
gotta-
like the fake.
Yeah,
Like,
it tastes like a chemical. Not good. Unlike vanilla, which you can never go wrong with. Oh, that was it. There was also I added some vanilla to the pumpkin spice as well.
The pumpkin spice was good. Everyone should watch that video.
Yeah, everybody should watch the video on the pumpkin spice White Russian, because you can never have enough White Russians. Unless
or
they take-
Asians.
Well, they have black Russians too.
Yeah, they have Black Russians, White Russians. You just gotta watch out for them. Sometimes they take
Is
over
that all
countries.
the orange juice?
Yeah.
Let's not go crazy.
Freshly squeezed navel.
If you like to drink, you may want to make another one.
I know.
We have regular ones, too. Unless Dan fucks this up, then I gotta squeeze the
Oh my
one
gosh,
other
it's so good.
Did I do everything? Blah, 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 blah.
one. You
Yes.
just basically drank an orange and a half.
That's fine. I haven't had
That's
any
what I was
sugar
going to say. These are
since
usually like shots, right?
No.
No.
Alabama Slammer?
No.
wrong.
If serving as a shot, divide among shot glasses.
You can serve anything as a shot. That's just ChatGPT giving me extra information.
Like, give me 2 shots. I want an Alabama Slammer. Because you drink it and you slam it down. And be
Oh!
like, Sweet Home Alabama. That's where it came
Sweet
from.
home Alabama Slamma.
Yeah. That's where it came from.
Because it's got Southern Comfort in it, which is from New Orleans, but whatever. We can not bother to mention Southern
That's
Comfort
close.
from New
That's
Orleans.
It's southern.
This is
Let's
just
take a trip to the South.
yeah.
Oh, this thing gets freaking cold.
Yeah.
He's such a
You
whiner.
need the insulated one, like I have.
He has insulated ones because he doesn't want to make his fingies cold. Where are you gonna put that anyway? You put it in a glass?
Ooh, what a color.
I know, I gotta put it in a glass.
You do.
That's some ice to that
Oh,
bitch.
what is on the side?
It's broken. I don't know why. It's just permanently stained. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to make it stop. He's just making an ice mess everywhere. Some other switch.
Let your ice cubes sit on the floor.
You talking shit? I
I
mean, look at this
When
fucking
did you
thing.
not? Am I right?
Could it be skinnier?
yeah,
And then you got big ass ice cubes.
it can be. I think I have one in here. Let me see if I can find it.
No,
Let me
he's literally, he's asking like it's too skinny.
I don't know. I can make skinnier.
Whoa. What a gorgeous color.
Kind
Wow.
of looks like fruit punch.
How did that even come to be?
Look at that.
Sloe gin.
Oh, there's
Look at that.
orange in there, I guess.
Fuck yeah. I got this shit.
It did come out. You got the perfect proportion of ice to
Yeah.
make sure that it completely filled right to the brim
See?
without going over.
Boom.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
Gorge.
sexy AF.
Ian's definitely coming back though.
You're
This
probably
is,
going to
this is a lot of work.
Hold on. I'll just just do this. Is it
So yesterday I went to Popeyes.
Ooh, why?
there?
Because we're gonna have Alabama
Chick-fil-A's
Slamma.
better. Ah. Getting that Louisiana fresh.
Get that Louisiana fresh. All right.
Yeah. Popeyes. I love Popeyes. Fried chicken.
See?
That tastes like fruit punch.
You can't go
That
wrong
tastes
with
like fruit punch.
Alabama Slamma.
That tastes like fruit punch. That's so weird. That tastes exactly like fruit punch.
You're right.
That's weird.
Without having any of the things that are in fruit punch. There's
Orange
no,
is in fruit
there's no Southern Comfort in fruit punch. There's no sloe berries in fruit punch. There's no amaretto.
There could be. You don't know.
Right? Doesn't it taste like high C, like fruit punch?
It tastes like
Or
one of the
Crystal
like
Lake?
It's a little
Like the-
drier.
It looks like fruit punch.
supermarket like red popsicles that you
Oh,
get.
yeah.
It can't be
The
brand
Breeze
name.
Pops.
Yeah, it can't be brand name. It's gotta be.
No. We get the ones in the red net bag, like fish.
Oh yeah.
Don't know why, but
Because
that's how they
those
come.
There's like 150,
Yes.
and then nobody eats the fucking orange, and they just like
Yeah.
I
sit,
know.
or the green ones,
Well,
and they
you-
just like
you-
sit in the freezer.
You pull them out without looking for that reason.
I do.
He gets excited when he pulls his favorite color.
If you get purple and red, it's a double whammy. Like you just go sit down. It's a good time. Like you get both. Those
You sit
colors,
down and watch Star Trek.
and you
I
just
get
sit
it.
down, watch the Star Trek. You eat the purple one first. Usually, the red one's a little bit better. So you go.
Yeah.
You start with purple.
I like the
Purple's
pink
tasty.
one a lot.
I like the taste of purple. It doesn't taste anything like grape.
No,
It tastes like purple.
it tastes like purple.
I like the pink one.
It tastes like the purple vodka that
It's
used
watermelon.
the 3
Doesn't
olives
taste like
purple
it, though,
vodka.
to me.
I spent a lot of time drinking that.
Which one?
The 3 olives purple vodka.
No.
It was just it wasn't grape. It was purple, and it
Yeah, because
tasted.
it tasted just like that.
It
fake
tasted
purple.
just like that,
like
and we would just drink like bottles of it.
I
Like,
never even heard of that.
Oh, I almost had 2 of them glued to the front of my steps.
Why didn't? Wait a minute.
No, this was for you guys. We finished a whole bottle, like
Right.
one of the really big ones.
Yeah.
And I was like, holy fuck! I'm like, if we can finish another, because we had 2. I'm like, if we finish this one, I'm gonna glue them to the front of my steps. And it got down to here in the second one.
And you couldn't do it, so you don't have to worry about.
And
the
Thank
they
God.
were all
And we were- There was
so
only like
random.
6 of us.
That's so random.
Yeah, it would take a lot.
Out
to
of
drink.
all things to do, glue them to the front of
Yeah.
your steps.
Well,
Well,
I mean-
when you're a bottle in.
Yeah, you don't know, like shit. When I'm a bottle in on something,
Yeah, you're
I have a
like,
lot of good ideas. Like,
I've just tapped into some shit that no one's gonna even think about. How
I am
about
like
this?
Elon Musk after like a bottle.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna glue these to my steps. Then I'm gonna split kick, karate kick them. I'm gonna build rocket.
Yeah,
That's what I'm gonna do tonight.
yeah.
That's it. That's how you work.
If I saw the Northern Lights when I was drunk, I'd be like, the sky is bleeding and we're
Yeah.
fucked.
The world is ending.
The world is ending, and I think I just died.
I'm fine with those.
So what do you think, Nate?
I like it. It literally tastes like you poured vodka into fruit punch to me.
Oh, there you go.
And the orange juice just sweetens it up a little bit, maybe.
No, the orange juice adds to the fruit punch flavor.
It does.
But it
You
doesn't.
can't go wrong
you
with
wouldn't know
orange
there's
juice.
I don't pull orange from that separate.
You can't even see
I
the
couldn't
orange.
I couldn't guess. I'd be like, "Oh, you put like high C fruit punch
Yeah,
into the thing."
it's like a vodka fruit punch.
I
I mean,
wouldn't
you
be
know
like-
it's in there. You can kind of taste it, but
But,
you're
like-
right. Yeah,
If you really think it like
you wouldn't be able to.
Yeah.
You took those and you freeze them. It would be very difficult since it would turn into slush since there's alcohol in there.
oh, that would be good though.
Yeah.
Be a slushy.
It would only
Maybe
slush
what
up.
they serve in Louisiana at some of those bars.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they
Oh,
serve that?
Yeah, they just serve these slushy.
the whatchamacallit?
The purple drink.
Yeah.
What are they called though?
Purple drink.
No, we went on the tour. The daiquiris. They're called daiquiris.
Really?
Gold daggers.
Remember we went on the bus tour?
No, I know.
The daiquiris. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
but
Remember
the-
we have the shirts that say like Jack something.
Oh,
Yes,
Yeah.
but what I'm saying though is like when you go down to what's that old wooden place that I talked about last time we did this?
The oldest bar
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
like the prisoner bar, like it's a blacksmith bar.
The blacksmith.
Yes.
You go to the blacksmith and they
It's
have
got
like
all
those
the
those,
tanks.
Yeah.
those twirly tanks like you
They're
get at
daiquiris.
7-Eleven. No, but there's a purple one. It's
I know.
not a daiquiri though.
No, but they,
They
call
have
it
another name for that.
No, but they call them daiquiris.
I swear it had a separate name for the purple one.
Oh, I don't know.
In either case, I don't know what it is, but it's just magic
It's
sauce.
just sugar.
And by the time you get to the blacksmith bar, you've
But
stopped at
remember
all the other bars, so
we-
you were making bad decisions.
Oh,
Then you got to go back, and then you're like,
that's
I don't
when I
know about
talked to the
strip club.
police officers, and I was like, if I walk down that way, I'm like, can I get somewhere good? And he was like, no.
No, you'll get raped.
He's
He was
"You
like-
gotta
The
go
mouth.
there."
They all left
Yeah.
me, and they were like, sir, are you all alone? And I was like, oh no. They're like, are you sure you're not all alone? I was like,
That's like me in
I'm
Walmart.
like, I don't know, maybe.
They may have turned around and went the other direction. And the
Now
guy,
you mention it.
But-
I-
I am like, shit, I might be.
but the,
I was like,
the
"Sir, I
spoiler
don't
though
know."
is when you're actually talking to the police, you're talking like this because they're up on a horse. That's weird.
He was like, don't go that way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm telling you, mouth raping will happen. You don't want to go there. I'm telling you.
We don't need to be using that word.
Mouth?
Yes. All right.
All right, that's it.
All right.
Sidebar, some videos over there. There's the link down below for some videos and some bartender starter kits at AwesomeDrinks.com. That's it. We are teaching you how to drink.